Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use NordVPN on multiple devices. If you want to try NordVPN, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get an exclusive deal and discount for your VPN subscription. It is the easiest way to follow this tutorial and protect your devices with NordVPN today. Alright, so first up, as you can see here, I have my Windows computer that is currently connected or got NordVPN, and I just installed NordVPN on my phone. So you need to go ahead and install it on the other devices as well, such as your TVs or other computers, and then just go ahead and open up the app. So let's go ahead and accept or reject right here. Next, allow notifications or not, and then just log in. All right, tap on login, and then a browser will pop up. Now you can go ahead and enter your email address right here, the ones that is using the email address from this account as well. But you could go ahead and tap on get a one-time login code. And then all you got to do is just get a 6-digit login code. And to get the one-time code, just go ahead and open up your email or log in with your email address right here. And then tap on get code. The other option, let's go ahead and go back, log in. But if you do have the option to get a QR code, well, you'll have that option in here, get QR code from your other device. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in with my Google account. Wait a bit. Skip this. Next, next, and next. All right, secure my connection. Okay. And once that's done, as you can see here, mine is gone, but it's already connected because I'm just screen mirroring, and screen mirroring works by using the same exact Wi-Fi connection. So my connection is lost right here because my phone is now using a different type of connection. All right. So all you got to do is just log in with the same exact NordVPN account. All right. Or I'm just going to turn off NordVPN right here under my phone. Or again, you can just go ahead and scan this QR code. Now to get a QR code, just go ahead over to your profile at the very top or find the profile icon right here, find account. Under account, you'll have this option that says get NordVPN for all of your devices. Just click on this drop down. Now go ahead and click on get QR code. Now on your phone, open up the camera, scan this code right here, and you'll have this go onelink.me. You can just tap on it, and it will automatically log you in to NordVPN. It will open up NordVPN download. Just tap on open, and you'll be automatically logged in. That's how simple it is to use NordVPN on multiple devices. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.